So same thing here. We have two variables, two equations. This is quadratic system. Okay, so when I try to solve this, I can eliminate the y by substitution. Okay, so that looks like the more obvious choice, or I could use a subtraction to be able to try to eliminate the y. If I use subtraction to eliminate x, there's a bit of a problem because I have x squared and x, and the coefficients 2 and -1 don't match the 1 and 1 here. So I'm going to use this like for like substitution here. Y is equal to that, and I'm going to replace it with that y. So looking at equation 2, okay, so there's my equation 1, equation 2. So I'm going to substitute equation 1 into equation 2. Okay, so this is my equation 2. I'm going to replace the y with 2x squared minus x plus 9. Okay, and so that is my like for like replacement. I now have a system or an equation where I only just have an x variable. Now I have, so it looks like 1x squared minus 4x squared is -3x squared. So it is a quadratic equation. So minus -2 times positive is 2x. Negative times positive, -18 plus 4 equals x. Again, combine your like terms. So it looks like I have plus 1x minus 14 equals 0. And I'm just going to divide by the negative, so I have something that looks like this. Okay. So it looks like I just double checking my work here. So positive 18, negative 18, positive 4. Okay, so that we have negative. Okay, so this is looks like my algebra is correct. Okay, and again, it is very important to make sure that we are algebraically keeping this correct, because there's lots of things going on here. I'm going to use the quadratic formula to attempt to solve this. So I end up with x equals 1 plus minus square root 1 squared minus 4 times a times c. Okay, that's all over 2 times a. When I try solving this, it looks like the discriminant is going to be negative, so I get 12 times 14. That's going to be 168 if I'm not mistaken. Okay, so we end up with 1 minus 168, which is negative 167. So leaving us with a negative discriminant, there's no solution here. So it looks like these two parabolas do not intersect each other. Okay, so it looks like we have no solutions in this particular case.